You really didn't have to do that.
I know.
No, you really didn't have to.
I know!
The princess asked you a question. And unless you want to end up in the dungeon, you'll tell her what she wants to know.
What are we doing today, Moby? Cool. What are forests? A forest is a type of habitat that has many trees. A lot of other living things grow in forests too, like shrubs and bushes, ferns, flowers, fruit, and fungi. Different kinds of animals live in forests too. There's enough food, water, and shelter here for many animals to survive. There are different types of forests. What are deciduous forests like? Deciduous forests are found in places where the weather changes from season to season. The plants adapt to changes in the weather. During the warm and sunny summer, plants can grow thick and green. In the fall, the weather cools down and most plants grow more slowly. The leaves of many plants change colors and eventually fall off. As winter arrives, the weather gets colder and colder. Many plants stop growing in the winter to save energy, and some die. When the weather gets warmer in the spring, plants grow back. Some plants grow flowers and give off seeds so new plants can grow. Forest animals adapt to the changing seasons in different ways. Brown bears eat a lot of different foods. They change their diets depending on what's around during different seasons. When food is harder to find in the winter, bears tend to stay in their shelters and save energy. Beavers live in and around rivers, and they mostly eat tree bark. They also build their lodges out of trees. During the warmer seasons, beavers collect food in their lodges. They have food all winter long. Many birds, such as ruby-throated hummingbirds, migrate to warmer places during the winter. What are coniferous forests like? Coniferous forests are found in areas where the weather changes from season to season. But they're also found in areas that stay cold for most of the year. Coniferous trees look pretty different from deciduous trees. The leaves of coniferous trees look like long, thin needles. They help the trees save water and protect them from the cold. Coniferous trees also grow cones. Its seeds are protected inside the cones. Unlike deciduous trees, coniferous trees don't lose their needles in winter, and trees stay green all year round. That's why they're called evergreens. Pine trees are a type of conifer. Christmas trees are conifers too. How are forests changing? Trees are natural resources. A lot of things we use every day come from trees. But people have been clearing forests for land and wood. When that happens, living things lose their habitats. It's important to protect habitats and use natural resources wisely. You can reduce, reuse, and recycle, and encourage others to do so too. You can also choose items that are made out of recycled materials. You can even write to government leaders and tell them to help protect our forests. Moby, I think it's time we go back to class now. Uh-oh. If the bear cub is here, then where's its mother? Hey, Moby. Where are you going? Moby? Cool. A rainforest. What is a rainforest? A rainforest is a large, thick forest habitat that gets a ton of rain. Some rainforests can get over 200 inches of rain a year. Rainforests can be in cool areas, but most rainforests are tropical and found in warm, humid places near the equator. The Amazon tropical rainforest is the largest in the world. It spreads through 9 countries in South America. Even though rainforests cover just a small part of our planet, over half the world's species of plants and animals live there. Squirrel monkeys are just one species of monkey that live in rainforests. But there are other species too, like capuchin monkeys and howler monkeys. We can divide the rainforest into different sections. What are some layers of the rainforest? The canopy is the roof of the forest, and that's where you find the thick, leafy tops of trees. There's plenty of sunshine and food up here. Most rainforest animals live in the canopy. Like monkeys, sloths, and birds. The understory is the layer between the canopy and the floor. Less sunshine reaches the understory, so many plants have large leaves to get as much light as they can. Here you can find a lot of insects, snakes, and even jaguars. The forest floor is the bottom of the rainforest. It doesn't get much sunlight, so fewer plants grow here. But you can still find lizards, insects, and fungi. How do plants and animals survive in rainforests? Living things have adaptations, or special ways to live in their habitats. Well, rainforest soil does not have a lot of nutrients, so it can be difficult for plants to grow there. Some plants, like this pitcher plant, use animals for food. Since the forest floor can be pretty dark, some plants have adapted to grow on tall trees so they can get more sunlight. They're nicknamed air plants because they don't need soil to grow. Since the rainforest gets a ton of rain, the leaves of many plants have special tips to help get rid of extra water. Cool! That butterfly has clear wings. That camouflage helps it hide from other animals. But some rainforest animals don't use camouflage at all. The poison dart frog has bright colors, warning predators not to eat it. It's one of the most poisonous animals on the planet. Rainforest animals have different ways to stay safe. The huatzin is often called the stink bird because it smells really bad. Tons of plants and animals live in the rainforest, and experts think there are millions more that haven't been discovered. How are rainforests changing? Rainforests are often called the lungs of the planet. The plants give off a lot of oxygen into the air and help get rid of carbon dioxide, which is a gas that can cause problems in the environment. Rainforests help manage Earth's fresh water and help control Earth's temperature and weather patterns. But today, much of the world's rainforests are being cut down for wood or for land to graze animals and plant crops. Many native people depend on the rainforest to live, and they've lost their homes. This forces them to move or change their way of life. Many plants and animals have lost their habitats too, and some have become endangered. When something is endangered, there are only a few of their species left. When something is extinct, it means none of their species are left. Experts think that over 100 species of rainforest plants and animals become extinct every day. Many medicines are made from rainforest plants. As the rainforest gets destroyed, we may lose new ways to fight diseases. Rainforests are really important, and we've got to protect them. Right, Moby? Moby? What color does a book turn when you finish it? Red. What did the door say to Moby? Stop pushing me around.